Gentlemen, I've got this lovely dahlia that I've grown from seed, started off this spring. As you can see, the bees and the butterflies really love it. I'm just going to show you how I go about deadheading and how to spot the dead and dying flowers so you can prune them off a lot quicker. First of all, I'll show you what I'll be using. My little snips here. These were a tenner off eBay and they're really good quality, really sharp, really good steel. So first of all, I'll take you through what to look for. This is a flower head that's getting ready to flower. As you can see, this is what I call a deadhead. This has got seeds inside it. Just trying to open it there for you. As you can see, no petals at all. They're all ready to flower. You can just see the petals sticking out there. So let's have a look at this one. This is a flower. So as well as cutting these off, you want to test any flowers you've got. If you can pull the petals off like that, as easy as that, it means that one's dying. So basically you want to get rid of that as well. So first of all, let's get rid of this one, shall we? And you want to cut back as low as you can, because there's that one and that one. I want to take it right down in here. You can see there, and in there, and that's that taken out. That lets some air flow through, stops it getting fungus infections and mildew, and that's it lets a lot more light in to the lower reaches, so then you'll get more shoots growing from the side shoots and growing from down the bottom. I'll just show you what it is on here. Yeah, you've got the dying one there, and you've got the total dead one there. As you can see, I'll just put that next to that. You can't really see the difference until you notice the petals sticking out. So yeah, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, folks, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Keep safe. Bye.